Hello, hello and welcome to this Liberty Solution STS. I am Dr. Sunil Yadav, of faculty. In this video, I will be talking about class 12th NEET biology syllabus. As all of you know, it is very compulsory to know what we have to learn. So once if you have decided that you have to become a doctor and score good mark in board examination 2023 as well as NEET examination 2023, you should be familiar with the syllabus right from the beginning in class 11th itself. So this is the syllabus. This class 12 syllabus start with the unit 6. It is mentioned unit 6. That means 5 units are there in class 11. 6 units start from class 12, that is reproduction. In this reproduction, there are many chapters like reproduction in organisms, sexual reproduction in flowering plants. Third chapter is human reproduction, and fourth one is reproductive health. We'll be completing this four chapters within 30 days, and after completion of these four chapters, we'll be conducting tests. This test will be covering the school examination as well as NEET previous year sample paper. Will be sharing daily practice papers where a student will be solving multiple choice question paper with the aim to crack NEET examination. At the same time, we'll be sharing the important questions of the previous year board examination. So once we are completing this, after exam is there, then we'll start next unit. And that next unit is that is called unit 7, that is genetics and evolution. In this, there are chapters like heredity and variation, and then chapter molecular basis of inheritance. Chapter 7 talks about evolution, that is origin of life. After completing this unit also, we'll be conducting tests, we'll be sharing daily practice paper related with the NEET examination as well as board examination. We'll be also arranging doubt session where student can directly talk with the faculty and they can get clear their doubt. They can share their doubts on the WhatsApp number of the faculty as well as they can comment on this video and these doubts will be clarified. So after completion of this unit 7th, we'll start new unit, that is unit 8 talks about biology and human welfare. In this, there are total number of these chapters are there. Chapter number 8 talks about health and disease. And chapter number 9 talks about improvement in food production. Chapter number 10, microbes in human welfare. After completing this unit as well, we will be also conducting this essay type of the examination with the aim to score good mark in board examination as well as the uh, multiple choice question will be sharing daily practice paper where the question will be put from the previous year's NEET examination. And whenever there will, after that, there will, the analysis will be sent to each and every student. And wherever there is, we will be identified the problematic area, will be conducting revision and will be organizing doubt session. So after completing unit uh, 8th, will start next unit that is called unit number 9, biotechnology and its application. In this unit also, there are only 2 chapters are there, but the chapters are, this topic is very new to all of you. So there are 2 chapters, but the portion is very lengthy. Chapter 11 talks about principles and processes of biotechnology, and chapter 12 talks about application of biotechnology in health and agriculture. Both of these chapters are very interesting. After completing this chapter, we'll be conducting revision 1 and revision 2 because the chapters are new to each and every student. Therefore, we'll be revising this unit 2 times. Then after this, we'll start our next unit, that is unit 10. That is the last unit of biology syllabus, that is called ecology and environment. In this, there are total number of 4 chapters are there. That is organisms and environment is the portion in chapter number 13. Chapter number 14 talks about ecosystem, and chapter 15 talk about biodiversity and its conservation, and chapter number 16 environmental issues. In this way, by the end of April, we'll be completing the syllabus of both class 11th and 12th. So after completion of this unit, we'll be conducting some examination. So that is now we'll be focusing on the exam. So exam time will be conducting pre-board first examination and NEET first examination, then pre-board second, NEET second examination, pre-board third and NEET third, pre-board fourth and NEET fourth. So ultimately then in this way this is our strategy, we'll be completing all these procedures before the board examination. As soon as board exams get over, means before starting of the practical board examination, practical will be conducted. You go, I will allow you, I will make you free, go and give your practical examination. Will be also helping in case if you are having doubt in performing various practicals, we'll be arranging the practical session on the virtual platform only, and that will be helping you a lot to appear for your practical examination. Then how to prepare your journal, how to prepare your investigative project. All these information will be provided to you, and will be our faculty member will be helping you to prepare all these projects and journal as well. So as soon as your practice are over, then it will be there in your trust, so that whenever you feel that there is emergency, you want to talk about any topic, if you want have any doubt on any topic, our faculty will be available to help you during your board examination as well. As soon as your board examination will get over, we again start focusing on the NEET examination. So this is our strategy. I hope that you are clear with our strategy. Like, comment, share it with your friends, subscribe my channel, and spread this message among your friends who are interested to crack NEET examination 2023. Thank you. Thank you very much.